Another interesting thing is Shaktipat. That understanding has become clearer and clearer. One Shaktipat can happen when you're in the presence of your physical guru. The other Shaktipat can happen when the guru is nowhere present. But even if the aspirant thinks of the guru, and the guru at that moment is also thinking of the aspirant, the Shaktipat will happen. Or it's the aspirant is so ready that it will descend from above. But Shaktipat, the human body, mind, nervous system has to be ready to contain that energy. Otherwise it can disrupt the nervous system. So when Shaktipat happened for me, my guru was not present, but what I heard was a musical instrument, which then reminded me of Swami Rama, because I had met him once and he was talking about his music. And with that musical instrument, there was a shattering of all atoms, cells, body, mind, intellect, everything. And the only thing I could see was this consciousness or the spiritual heart expanding and full of light. With that, it's a new birth with Shaktipat. It's a new birth because the atoms get rearranged, the cells go into a flux and they come back into a certain shape. So it's a very powerful experience. And in another incident where this Shaktipat happened recently, I strongly believe it was Shaktipat. One of my own students had very enthusiastic, very creative, was taking part in an exhibition and full of energy and hope and whatever, that she's going to do the world's best sales and all that. And it happened to me, she was arranging her stuff at her place. I was in my meditation, and during meditation you send blessings to all your people. All the frames that she had stacked crashed. She didn't no sale that day, maybe very minus. And she called me, this has happened. So I said probably somebody shook the thing. Nothing struck me at that time. But later her husband called that my wife is very disoriented. I'm saying one thing, she's responding something else and all. So the next day I went to see her. And talking to her, I realized what had happened. It was Shaktipat, because the management came to see if anyone pushed or touched the stall or nothing. But her body, mind, intellect was not ready to take the force. So it crashed next to her, but her psyche got totally crashed, and it took her 2-3 days to come back. After I understood what had happened, after I explained to her, it's okay, because that shock has probably shattered you. Gone through so much with so much expectation. It is that has shocked you. But actually it was the impact of the energy which had totally. So why they say a guru is essential in such a situation? It is very essential because at that moment, if the consciousness disintegrates, it can attach to anything. And this is my experience, that I myself was working on my illustrations, and there was a mug of paint brushes, etc. And I suddenly found I was a paintbrush, the mug containing all the paint brushes. And I, as a person, was not feeling odd. I was enjoying being the mug, But in due course, I came back. that also gave me an understanding that when we are seeing people who have gone out of their mind, we don't understand what has happened. For them, something happened and they have not been come back to the original mindset. So this is Shaktipat, which is a very powerful thing, and one should really be in one way grateful that one goes through it, because you're a totally transformed person. When they say meditation is a process of transformation, it is literally transformation at the cellular level, at the atom level, at every level.